Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from China.
China. Okay, I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah. Bangladesh. Where?
Do you know about Bangladesh?
No, I don't know.
Okay, you mean you didn't hear about Bangladesh before?
Beautiful. I don't speak English very well.
Okay. I feel very happy now because I meet a Chinese people. I mean Chinese girl.
China. I don't understand you see
Okay,
because I don't speak English.
okay, no problem. I said I
Hmm.
feel very happy now because I meet a Chinese girl.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Anji.
Ansi.
Yeah.
Ansi. Wow, nice name, Ansi. Nice to meet you, Ansi.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so can you teach me some Chinese if you don't mind?
No.
Something,
听不懂。
something, please.
对，something something 一点点。
Teach me some Chinese, please. I wanna learn it.
Something you were from. Where are you from?
Where are you from? I mean, I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Welcome to China.
Mm,
Beautiful country.
okay, if you call me to go there, I will go.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Goodbye.
No. Don't say goodbye. Don't say goodbye. Please. Please wait. Please wait. Don't go, please.
Because I 听不懂 don't speak
Okay.
听不懂 I don't understand you see.
Okay. I know that. I know that.
My English is
My English is also so bad. We can
so
practice
bad.
here. We can practice here. No problem.
Oh.
Okay. So teach me some Chinese, please. How to say I love you in Chinese?
我爱你
Oh, I need.
Yes.
Oh, I need. Wow. Nice language. What's your name? Please repeat again. I forget that.
安吉
Angie.
安吉
Angie.
Yeah.
Okay. How to say I love you? Oh, I need.
对 yes 我爱你
Okay. If I say oh, I need Angie, what will you do?
Oh thank you
Welcome. So listen to me.
Okay.
Why why Chinese people looking so beautiful like you?
Beautiful
Yeah.
like me
Yeah.
thank you you so cool
I'm good. I'm good.
so cool
Okay. So Angie, how old are you?
好武的什么
How old are you?
how old are you
Yeah.
21
21. Wow.
Yeah
Are you single?
don't understand you see
Okay. I said, are you married or unmarried? That means you have
No
you are married. That means you have husband.
还是听不懂